I got my boy Christian right here. He really needed a haircut. He's looking like Pacquiao with this haircut. Swear to God, it's wild. Anyways, I was gonna drape him real quick. He looks a little bit tired. We just had a long day. We cut an all day, man. And just like it puts weight on us. So I told him he was long due for a haircut, and on top of that, I was gonna give him a free haircut as long as I could make a video out of it. He said he wanted a four on the sides, so I go in with the number four wall guard. But after going with this guard and this clipper, I feel like I need a new blade. It's taking a little longer than it usually takes for me to take out the weight. Now with the FX Babyliss trimmer, I'm just gonna hit the sideburns, clean them up real quick. I'm also gonna line up the side just to see where I'm at if I want to drop the corners a little bit. While I'm at it, I might as well just clean everything up too. Now this is my favorite shaver, and mostly because it doesn't irritate people as much as the other ones. And just in case if you're wondering what shaver it is, this is the Bronze Series 9. So I started with go ahead and work with my masters. I know there's the cordless masters already, but to be honest with you, I just can't let go of this one. I feel like the torque on this one is just amazing. Don't get me wrong, the cordless is real good, but this is just my favorite. I can't let go. capital A is basically a 3. So I hit that up with an open 3. Back with the 2, and I fade that in there. Now, since on the speeder guy is a little shorter than the wall 4, I come back and I just touch it up a little bit so it could blend in better. Now that I have that tapered in, I just go around the ear and I just go ahead and clean it up along the hairlines so that I can make it easier on myself while I'm tapering out the sides. It's the same concept, just like how I did the back. You just repeat the same numbers and fade it. up with the thinning shears a little bit, and then come back with the cutting shears, and get the little excess hair. Now, on his lining, he did not want me to drop too much hair for me to line up, so I just had to work with what he, was letting me use. So I feel like I still managed to make a straight line. Now I'm just gonna do some razor work. I'm not shaving that much, so I'm not gonna apply any shaving gel. Especially because I already went over the trimmer and his skin is not that sensitive, so he's able to take the dry shaving. I don't recommend everybody doing this on all your clients because you might have that one guy who's very sensitive. My boy's ready to go. He doesn't look too happy, but trust me, he was. He wanted to go to the bar that day, and there you have it. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting more tutorials, and I love helping you guys out.